The research we did was just look at lots and lots of YouTube clips, look at lots of data and talk to lots of people. There's a plethora of things that you're able to look at to get you up to speed, and we're able to do that, and it was good. It worked for us well. The reason we didn't go with a cheap system was because we were after quality. We were after something that would last the distance. It was a no-brainer for us. I see long-term value as being something that's going to last the distance. There doesn't have to be a conversation about doing a replacement because it's a cheap and nasty. It's something that's going to outlast me. In regard to who I was going to choose, having someone local was a benefit if there was ever an issue with the system. There hasn't been, fortunately, and there was just a comfort factor in being able to utilise someone who's just down the road. I was looking for an offering that had quality, experience, and these guys have been around for a long time and they know exactly what they're doing, and there's a lot of comfort in that for us. Thoughts on the system? More than happy, absolutely ecstatic with it, completely off-grid, which is, from a build perspective, fantastic environment, fantastic quality, and that's what we were looking for.